the AIP, which is the Advanced Inquiry Program, or the Global Field Program, the GFP. So these are kind of sister programs within Dragonfly and at Miami University, as Jamie was sharing. Either program can be used to work towards an MA, a Master of Arts in Biology, or a MAT, a Master of Arts in Teaching in the Biological Sciences. The MAT is usually something that licensed teachers will get involved with, but sometimes we have people who are interested in transitioning to an educational career and might be interested in that. It does not lead to licensure by itself, though, the MAT. Both programs are 35 credits in total and can be completed in 2.5 years. You can take longer. Sometimes people who have very busy lives will opt to slow down their time in the program and can take up to 5 years to earn the master's. Other people go straight through in 2.5 years. So if you look at this diagram below, there's the GFP on the left side and the AIP on the right. For the GFP, you have 21 credits of the 35 are 3 Earth Expeditions courses you'll take over 3 summers, or as I mentioned earlier, you can extend that. You'll also take 14 credits, which are in the fall and spring semester, and those are 100% online. They don't involve any travel to an international location. For the Advanced Inquiry Program, those students in that program also take the 14 credits that are 100% online, but instead of traveling for all of those Earth Expeditions, they take 21 credits that are online with experiential learning at a zoo or a botanical garden, of which we have several across the country that are our partners. People in the AIP can use one Earth Expeditions course towards their 21 credits. So if you're the kind of person that would like to do the AIP but really also wants to travel at least once internationally, that is definitely a possibility for you.